Hello everyone, welcome back. Doing well and fine, and in this video I'll be showing you Headway how to cancel subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your Headway subscription, what you need to do is head over and open up your settings. Now inside settings, tap on Apple ID name on the top of the options, and now once you're inside your Apple account, among them you'll be provided with options like personal information, sign-in security, payment and shipping, and at the end subscriptions. Simply select subscriptions, and now once you're inside your subscriptions, all you gotta do is scroll and go to the list and find the Headway subscription and then tap on it. Now inside you'll find an option that says cancel this subscription that is highlighted in red letters. Simply tap on that to begin your cancellation process. Now you'll find a small screen prompt appear in your screen asking you to confirm your cancellation. Simply tap on confirm to confirm your cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.